Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are discussing food additives. Actually, what is food additives? They are the substance added to the food to preserve flavor or enhance the taste, appearance and other qualities. So we can move to the first slide. First question, role of acidulants. Answer is flavoring, lowering pH, buffering agent. Acidulants means they are the chemical compounds that confer a tart, sour or acidic flavor to the foods. Second question, role of acetic acid. Answer is pH control, flavor, shelf life. Third question, main function of lactic acid. Answer is provide flavor, moderate chelator and the pH adjustment. Fourth question, which acid present in the cola flavor? Answer is phosphoric acid. It also known as orthophosphoric acid. It is a weak acid. Fifth question, succinic acid in bread dough modifies dash. Answer is plasticity. Plasticity means energy goes into changing the shape of the material. It's known as plasticity. Sixth question, cherry contains good quantity of dash acid. Answer is it containing malic acid. Malic acid mainly gives sour taste to the fruits. Seventh question, citric acid used as acidity regulator in. Answer is cultured milk, margarine and canned fruits. Margarine is a non-dairy product. It is originally made from animal fat and it is used for flavoring, baking and cooking. Eighth question, calcium lactate is used as. Answer is fimming agent, flavoring agent and gelling agent. Calcium lactate is a white crystalline salt. Ninth question, phosphoric acid is used as acidulant in dash products. Answer is bakery, dairy and meat. 10th question, propionic acid can be used as dash agent in cheese. Answer is flavoring and antifungal. Propionic acid is naturally occurring carboxylic acid. It is a liquid with a pungent and unpleasant smell. 11th question, sodium diacetate is used in dash. Answer is edible oil, sugar preserves and the dairy products. Sodium diacetate is a slight flavor of the acetic acid. 12th question, sodium diacetate inhibits the growth of dash in bakery products. Answer is bread molds, and the rock-forming bacteria. 13th question. Succinic acid can be used as dash. Answer is acidulant, preservative, fluoradditives. Succinic acid is a dicarboxylic acid mainly naturally found in broccoli. 14th question. Ascorbate palmitate in a food may function as. Answer is antioxidant, sequestrant, and the vitamin C source. Antioxidant means substance that inhibit the oxidation. Sequestrant means it is a food additive which improve the quality and stability of the food. Ascorbate palmate is an ester formed from ascorbic acid and palmitic acid. Fifteenth question. Sodium ascorbate in food is used as. Answer is antioxidant and the color preservative. 16th question. Tocopherol is generally used as. Answer is antioxidant and the vitamin supplements. Tocopherols are the class of organic chemical compounds which have vitamin E activity. 17th question. Beta carotene act as a dash in food. Answer is antioxidant, nutrient, and the colorant. Beta carotene is an red-orange pigment mainly found in plants and fruits, especially in carrots and colorful vegetables. 18th question. EDTA in food is used as. Answer is chelator and the antioxidant. EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. This chemical used for both industrial and medical purpose. 19th question. Allura red color is used in dash products. Answer is bakery, dairy, and the beverages. 20th question. Amaranth color fades in presence of a dash. Answer is sulfur dioxide. Amaranth is a reddish rose color. 21st question. Dyes are dash in nature. They are soluble in nature. Dyes are the substance which impart color to the other substance. Maltose has dash-like odor. Answer is caramel. Maltose is a disaccharide formed from 2 units of glucose and it is joined with an alpha bond. Last question. Cyclamate is marketed as dash salt of cyclohexane sulfonic acid. Answer is sodium. Cyclamate is a synthetic artificial sweetener 30 to 50 times sweeter than the sugar.